Okay, so see, the next one is the differences between, okay, business rule and script include. This is very, very, very important topic with respect to interviews and in live also. Okay, now based on your understanding, tell me what are the differences between script include and business rules.
Server and client.
Server and script
In
include.
business rule, we only use in server side,
Uh-huh.
but in by using script include, we can also use from client side
Very
also.
good.
We can call script include from client side.
Only. Okay, this covers your statement. Okay, that means the reverse part of is like it supports both. Okay, next one.
In business rule, we can update, insert, update, and query.
Uh-huh. That means what, ma? Finish it. Finish the sentence.
Uh,
So you said in business rule, you said insert, update, delete. Okay, but what about script include? You have to tell that, na? Then only difference will come, right?
yes, sir.
So that is correct statement, but not correct statement. Okay, the statement is business rule will trigger always, but script
Yes, sir.
include will trigger whenever it is initiated. Until it initiated from a Ajax call, from a background script, but wherever you see these two lines, na, that time only it will run. Okay, but business rule, if you create on a table level, it runs every time when you do either insert or either update or something, triggering point, right? So this is most callable. This is the callable on demand. So preferably people will suggest script include is the best option. Why? Because you know when to initiate. That time you write it and then it will execute, right? So now performance side, which is good.
Script include.
Script include.
Script include.
So that is the one of the best difference. First, we need to start with this one. Okay, that is the reason as per Servicenow best practices, health scan and all, you will always say write script includes. So see here, ma. If you have one script include, you can write hundred thousands of functions. You don't need to write script includes again and again. You can update it. Okay, you keep one, you write every script, every function on that, and then you use the function whenever you wherever you want it. Okay,
Yeah, unless we call that function, it
it
won't
won't
execute.
trigger. Yes, that's true. That is the main purpose, na?
Yeah, okay, sir, got it.
Yeah.
But the functions have to be in the same table.
Why? There is no script include table, na? That is the main. We said it is global. Yesterday we seen right. There is no table at all, right? For script include. Where we seen table.
Oh, okay.
So it's a global class. It works for everything. Maybe that is also one example, right? So you
Okay.
can say one. That is also one. So script include business rule scope. Okay,
As table.
scope is limited to table. Okay, except global business rules. Okay, now one more concept, sir. What is global business rule? But okay, script include scope is global. Okay, so now what is global business rule? Okay, so when we create a business rule, see here,
We need to select global there.
yeah, okay, when we're creating a business rule, and here when you are selecting the table, okay, if I select something called global, it works on every table, which is very, 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 very rare case of scenario, right? So now we are saying scripting business rule will trigger always on one table level. If you create a business rule on global, na, so every click you do, one business rule will run in the backend. Every save, every update, every delete. Because here controls are very less. You see, na, there is no something called insert or update or delete or query or something. Before, after, nothing is there. You got it, ma? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So don't ask me the scenarios, please. I don't know. But let's see. Okay. Let's
Okay,
see.
I'm gonna ask you something else. When the application is global,
No, don't see that is I didn't touch application scope is global. Application scope is completely different. Table is different.
Correct. But
So
if you do it in global applications, it's gonna run in all tables in global?
that is completely no. S- See, table is different. Okay, application
Correct.
scope is different. You let's say you created one table on HR scope. Okay, and if you create a client script or business rule, the scope will come like HR. The table
Correct.
also HR,
Mm-hmm.
but not the global. Like, that's the reason if I say global here, immediately you will come here and they say global. What is this? That is the reason first time only we touched. We see something called global here. Everywhere you see the same thing, but application scope. This is related to application scope, not anything to a table. Maybe
Yeah.
okay. This is altogether a different concept, but yes, I answered it. I know.
Okay.
Okay, very good. So see here, ma. Business rules scope is limited except global business rules. Okay, now when I say global business rules will run on every table. Okay, but script include also global. Very good. Okay, now I think I got one point, but I missed it. Script include only triggers whenever it is being called. Okay, anything else, ma? Maybe just think.
Reusability.
Reusability, yes, very good. Reusability. Reusability is one of the best word we need to start with, and then second one is this one. Okay, and third one is second one, and fourth one maybe the other one. Yeah, I think these are the pretty important things, ma. Maybe one or two will be there, but this is at least fine if you are able to clearly answer them. Right now, so mainly it covers this. Agree? And as per ServiceNow best practices, when you have any requirement, go for script include. Don't scare about script include, ma. It is simple, same script only, but you write it and then you call it from somewhere. That's it.